Hi there, you're watching Market Glance, an overview of the top stories which may affect your trades, reported by investing.com and brought to you by Dukascopy TV. Today, the US dollar moved away from its recent highs against the yen and the euro. Last week, there was a huge demand for the greenback, boosted by speculation of a rate hike. The dollar eased about 0.2% against its Japanese rival to 108.85 yen, moving away from a 6-year high of 109.46 seen on Friday. The euro edged up 0.2% to 128.54 after the dollar reached a new 14-month peak versus the euro. The dollar remained strong today against the Aussie dollar, which fell to fresh 6-month lows. We also saw the impact the Scottish referendum had on market activity, with the pound dropping to 10-month lows against the dollar. But the sterling then added 0.4% to 163.51 after a no vote was announced. Asian shares fell today as many are expecting more negative data from China. China's flash manufacturing PMI reading on Tuesday could come in below the 50 level, indicating that manufacturing activity is contracting. Traders will be closely watching Tuesday data on Eurozone private sector activity. And of course, they will be keeping a close eye on the US housing sector, with reports on both new and existing home sales, as well as Thursday's data on durable goods orders and initial jobless claims. Now, moving over to commodities. Last week, gold was the victim of a stronger dollar, as gold futures fell to a 9-month low on Friday. On the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold for the December delivery traded at $1,215.80 a troy ounce, down 0.03% after hitting a session low of $1,214.20 a troy ounce on Friday. Future expectations of higher borrowing rates is considered bearish for gold, as it struggles to compete with the yield-bearing assets when rates are on the rise. The rate speculation is one factor which caused silver futures to plunge to its lowest level since July 2010. Silver for December delivery dropped to a session low of $17.33 a troy ounce. Copper for the December delivery hit a session low of $3,037 a pound. And the final report is about oil, as crude oil dropped in Asia today. However, many suspect investors to respond to potential supply issues in geopolitical hotspots and expectations of upbeat US data. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, crude oil for delivery in November traded at $91.57 a barrel, down 0.15%. Last Friday, WTI oil futures were weighed down by concerns over poor demand and a stronger US dollar. Moving over to London Brent prices on the ICE Futures Exchange in London, Brent oil for November delivery tacked on 69 cents. Well, viewers, that's it for today, but make sure you tune back in next Monday for another edition. Goodbye for now.